So here we have a universal steering wheel control kit. So pretty handy if you want to be able to control your VD head unit with these remote buttons here. So handy on cars where you don't have steering wheel controls on them. Like allows you just to be able to teach the buttons to do whatever you like. So they can either be mounted on the steering wheel, or you can put them on the dash or wherever you want. So they are wireless. You can use one of them or both of them, depending how many buttons you want. Obviously, you can teach these buttons to do whatever you want, but that's going to give you the volume up and down, next and forward, mute. So in total, they'll give you 10 steering wheel controls. They are rechargeable. You should normally get about 6 months out of them. When you need to charge them, you just need to plug in the USB cable into the side here and charge them up. Now these are stick pads which go on the bottom here, and then obviously the control itself sits in there like that. That just allows you to be able to easily take it out and charge it. You can also stick them directly on. You just need to be able to access that to be able to charge it. So you'd be obviously charging it off your car cigarette charger. So those two are the controls. Then you have the receiver here. So this here goes behind your head unit, and you have 4 wires you need to hook up. You got ACC, a power, ground, and you got key 1 and key 2. So grey being key 2. So what we do here is we also include an easy connector kit. You can just pop a wire out and stick one in. Once you strip the end, allows you to bridge out 2 wires together. So from your head unit, you can get your ACC and ground happening. So that's basically what comes in the kit. Then on our head units here, you're going to have a 20-pin main black plug. And what you want to do is you want to find the 2 wires in here. They should be brown and black usually. So here they are here. And they'll say key 1 and key 2 on them. And all you want to do is you just want to connect the grey one, this grey wire here, to key 2, and this orange wire here to key 1. Once those two are connected, you should be good to go. We suggest connecting this up and still leaving it out and testing to make sure it works before you put it all back together, just to make sure there isn't any problems. Alright, so on that 20-pin plug here, you also, if you want to get your ground and your ACC from that as well, you can. There is sometimes a spare ground, which will be a smaller black wire, which you can hook into that, also a ground onto it. Otherwise the main ground is the thick black wire, so you can bridge or tap into that. And your ACC, you are just looking for your red colour wire here, and that will be that'll be your ACC power, so you can tap into that if you want to use that for your ACC power and your ground source. Now once you have it hooked up and you just want to check it all works, just want to click on the apps here, scroll to the end, and you're looking for a wheel keyless study. You'll see a full grey screen like this. Now if you want to press any key on those remotes, so I'll press the key now, and you should get a new screen, a pop-up, so it's saying with that key what do you want it to do. So we'll say we want it to go volume up on short click, and you can do something else on a long click. So you could do whatever you want. Mute on a long click. We can't actually do mute on long click on this one. So on volume up we can only do a short click. Then you go save. That's sort of one key done. Save and exit, and you can test then if you push that up, it is gonna increase the volume. So that's how you learn the keys, and you've got obviously 10 keys to choose from there. And once you've done one, you can just obviously go back into it and carry on obviously learning the keys. There's a few extra ones here if you scroll down, and that's how you add in the universal remote steering wheel control.